So, you're eyeing the Weber Genesis E315 for your next backyard BBQ upgrade. Does it really live up to the hype? I've spent a whole season grilling everything from ribs to veggies on this beast, and here's what you need to know. First, the heating performance. The Pure Blue burner system is no joke. I've battled hot and cold spots with cheaper grills, but on the E315, the heat is incredibly even. No more shuffling burgers around like a game of Tetris. The build? It's sturdy. The lid feels heavy and solid, and the whole thing has a tank-like vibe. But I'll be real, the storage cabinet doors do feel a little flimsy compared to the rest. Not a deal breaker, but a bit of a letdown at this price. Cooking space is legit. I've fit up to 18 burgers on the main grate with room to spare. Perfect for family cookouts or feeding a hungry crowd. Now for the catch. While it can hit over 650 F, you'll need some patience. Preheat takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And unlike pricier Genesis models, you won't find a dedicated sear zone or smart grilling features here. What's great? Consistent temps for low and slow, those classic Weber flavorizer bars that amp up the smoky taste, and cleaning is way easier thanks to a pull-out grease tray. Plus, you get a 12-year warranty on the cookbox and lid, which is pretty reassuring. On the downside, assembly is a pain. Expect to phone a friend and set aside a good 2 hours. The manual isn't super clear, but here's a pro tip. Download the Built app for step-by-step 3D instructions. It's a lifesaver. Final thought, the Genesis E315 is a rock-solid grill for serious home cooks, but you're paying extra for that Weber name and durability. If you want bells and whistles, you'll need to look higher up the Genesis